is Goldilocks rules for your voice. Okay, so how you sound is almost as important as what you say. There are a few things you can change with your voice. You can change the volume, obviously. You can be louder or you can be quieter. You can change the tone. You can be kind of really excited and happy and yeah, ready to go. Or you can be a bit more quiet and a bit more thoughtful. And you can also change the pace. You can talk quite quickly, really fast, getting your words out here, there and everywhere, or you can slow it down a little bit. Now, Goldilocks rules, not too much, not too little, just right. So, not too loud, not too quiet, not so fast that nobody can really keep up with what you're listening to, and not so slowly that everybody goes to sleep. And not so excited that everything is amazing all of the time and oh my god, this is the best talk ever. You want to mix it up a little bit, but not have it too kind of serious sounding either. So, Goldilocks rules. You've got this kind of band where there's too much up here and too little down here, and within that range, you want to mix it up. You want variety, okay? So some bits are more exciting and some bits are more serious. Some bits are louder, some bits are quieter. Some bits have that kind of excited tone or that serious tone, and some bits have a questioning tone or a thoughtful tone, okay, or perhaps a sad tone, depending on what the topic of your talk is. So, Goldilocks rules, don't do too much of one or not enough of one, and within that band, vary it. Thanks very much for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful. If it was, drop me a comment, tag somebody who hasn't seen these videos before so they can enjoy them as well. And we shall see you next week.